In this video, we're going to talk about exercising your constitutional right to stay silent and why silence protects you. Police love to say, anything you say can and will be used against you. They mean it. Here's why staying silent is one of the most important protections and the most powerful protections that you have. Number one is it's your constitutional right. The Fifth Amendment gives you the right to remain silent. You don't have to answer police questions. And invoking your right to remain silent isn't an admission of guilt. It's a safeguard. It won't ever be brought up in your criminal case that when a cop asks you a question, that you remain silent. So why help the people that are trying to arrest you or build a case against you? Remember, anything you say can hurt you. Even innocent comments can be misinterpreted, taken out of context, or twisted. I'll give you an example. If a cop was to accuse you of a theft or think you're involved in a theft and ask you where you were that day, well, you might say, well, I was at this store or I was with this friend. All you're doing is help establish the elements of the case. Say that the theft occurred at a local grocery store and you admitted to being at that grocery store. Well, even though you might tell the cop, well, I didn't take anything, well, you just placed yourself at the scene willingly. You've helped the state prove one of the elements of the offense they want to charge you with. And remember, once words are in a police report, they're hard to undo. Police are skilled interrogators. Officers may act friendly or casual, but their job is to gather information, not to clear you of charges. When they ask you questions, they're trying to solicit specific responses that incriminate you, not just chatting you up. They're trained to get people talking, and they can lie to you. They can use lies during their questioning to get you to make admissions. Silence preserves your defense. By not talking, you avoid giving the prosecution extra material to work with. If you ever are going to say what happened in a specific event, it's always best that the first time that story comes out is with your lawyer or in court with your lawyer. That way your attorney can control the narrative and ask you specific questions to help solicit responses. You also need to know how to invoke your right to remain silent correctly. You just clearly state, I'm invoking my right to remain silent. I want a lawyer. Then just simply stop talking. Continuing to chat or answer questions can just undo the protection that you've just asserted. Remember, staying silent doesn't make you look guilty. It keeps you safe. If you're facing questions in a criminal case, let your lawyer do the talking for you. Always exercise your right to remain silent.